The downwind for runway 13.
Right, downwind for runway 13.
Alright, so you got a guy right downwind, he's got us left, so we got kind of a butterfly pattern going here.
Number 99725, execute departure instructions, cutting Jacksonville approach.
Executing climb out over approach, 99725, good day.
Got him inside, he's right at us and he's way high. Alright, fuel selectors in both, mixture stayed in full rich, check your seatbelt, carb he's out, landing light stayed on. I'm way left.
And November 6, Papa Delta, the traffic you're following is very short final, no factor at all.
Yeah, I got him inside, I should have told you this, but we're looking for the guy on the right downwind, we don't have him yet.
Yeah, he's going to follow you.
Alright, 69.
Number 7862 X-ray,
65.
you should be heading 310 right now.
Heading
62.
310, November 7862 X-ray, 47.
60. 58.
Number 7862 X-ray, are you a student solo?
Negative.
Okay, alright, well then, okay.
Oh man. I don't know why it sinks on me so much today.
This guy's a hoot, man. You're a student solo. No. Okay. Is. Alright, you're closed traffic and he expects you, now you know, because he actually said it.
Right, so now I'll call midfield down.
Downwind, right, midfield left downwind, that's all you gotta say. And it's funny, because I don't know if he assumes that we operate out of here or we don't.
Alright, and this time I won't start the turn until 300.